Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can create a private text channel on your Discord server. First of all, we need to open the Discord and log into our Discord account. You can do this process either on either devices, like if you have a smartphone you can do that from there also, or you can use the Discord web version also. For this video I'm going to open the Discord on my Windows PC. Now this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Here on the most left window you're going to find all the server that you have been joined in. First of all, select the server of where you have to create a private text channel. For example, if I select this server, now here on the left top corner you're gonna see full name of the server, where you have to click and a small window will pop right in front of you, where on the fourth number you're gonna find an option of create channel. When you click there, now you're gonna see here on the channel type, first of all you have to select the text channel, and here in the channel name you have to first simply name any for example, if I type sample here, sample text. Now here, to create a private channel, just simply enable this option. Once you do that, only the member that you have been allowed or you have been selected to join this channel are the only one who are going to join this channel. Not everybody will be able to see this channel. When you hit next here, first you have to select all the roles or the member that you want to join to this channel. Once you do that, for example, if I hit skip, and once you do that you have to just simply click OK. Now you're gonna see a sample text channel has been created, which you're gonna see a limited mark over there over the sign of the text, the hashtag sign. So this means the channel is now private. So by this method you can easily create a private channel or Discord server. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.